Good morning, pure structure traders. Today is June 2nd, 2021. Today we'll be going over S&P 500. I'll be giving you some of the major levels. Wendy will be going over some of the minor levels. Then I'll go over some of the levels on gold and also oil. For those who like these videos, please go ahead and smash that like button. For those who are not subscribed to the channel yet, please go ahead and subscribe. If you guys have any questions, feel free to pop them in here on YouTube. We would love to get back to you guys. With that said, let's go ahead and hop into the market analysis for the U.S. session. For S&P 500, as you can see here, kind of in a range, been stopping right in the middle of the range that we have somewhere around this 90, what is this, 94, 94, 95 area, and finding support and trying to push back up. I got two main levels, one being at 42, 14, 25. Yeah, that's going to be my first area that I'm interested to see if S&P can actually get up there and then reject off this level or just continue through. If it doesn't get back up there, then I'm looking to see if the market will float down into about 41.83 if it can get past these 94 to 95. So 94 to 95 is the first area of support that we have there. Again, resistance for me 42, 14, 25. Then above that 42, 29, 25. Those are my levels underneath 41.83. I have a level at 41.6650. But with that said, I'm going to pass it over to Wendy. She'll give you some of the minor levels she has on hers, and then I'll go over the levels on gold.
Good morning, Dave and traders. Well, London gave us absolutely nothing. It's a 10-point movement. So really nothing has changed from yesterday as far as my levels are concerned. So my analysis is going to be short. The market did not break my main support, which is down there at the 80 area, 41.80, and then created a micro support at the 41.89.90 area. You can see that it was a micro support on the 31st, and then it used it on the 1st as the bounce, and then London couldn't break it. So what does that tell you? It goes up. Market goes up. I have my peaks from yesterday and the day before, and they're staying true today. So the first one is 97. I'm going to look for the market to break up with a purpose, come back down and use it as support. It was support from the 26th through the 1st. Now let's see if it can be used as support again. Peak number 209. Look at, it was my peak number 2 from the 27th. Look what happened. Market used that micro support down there at the 89.90 area, went up there to the tick. So it is rejection now. And if the market continues to move up, I want to see it be used as support. Our third peak above that is around the 18 area. So we will see what the market gives us. If we happen to break our supports, I do have one peak down there way below at 41.65. It's marked, locked, and loaded, but we'll have to see what the market gives us today. Could be a range day. We haven't had one of those forever, but we've got Dave's main levels, my micro levels. We're going to make some money no matter what is given to us. And that's it. Dave, go ahead, honey. Give us gold and oil.
Awesome. All right, let's go over gold here real quickly for you guys. So right now, gold is pushing up against the level of 1908.2. That is going to be my first area of interest for a short opportunity down. Had a couple already. We want to see if we could take it down a little bit more. Want to see if the market can actually pull this thing down past where we're kind of finding this support, because we're finding support kind of right at 1905.6. Want to see if the market holds this and pushes through this level, or if these sellers can pull it back down into these 1903.3s. If it can, then that's going to be my area of support that I'll be looking for. But right now, again, resistance for me is coming in at 1908. Above that level, 1911.8, and then above that is going to be right around 1916.5. Supports below 1903.3 is 1899.1 and 1894.2 as the interest areas for the support to happen on gold. Let's take a look at oil here. For oil, we did have some nice movement. We did drift down into our support level right at these 67.47s. Nice opportunity for a long, and we are pushing against our resistance at 68. 0.28. Now from here, want to see if the market rejects this area one more time and then pulls it back down into the support at 67.47. Right now, this is my resistance area, so may look for the short opportunity. For those who don't want to take a short opportunity and want to continue the trend, your support's coming in at 67.47. Above 68.28, next resistance 68.84, and below the support of 67.47 is 66.70. But that is what we got for S&P 500, gold, and also oil. With that, let's go ahead and get into trading.